Thinking of buying a condo or co-op? Let's talk about maintenance fees. Welcome home. My name is Justin, your local Bronx real estate agent. And if you're a first-time viewer and you want to keep getting weekly information on the home selling process or home buying advice, be sure to slam that subscribe button and the bell next to it so you don't miss anything. With that being said, if you're buying a condo or co-op, get ready to pay a monthly maintenance fee. Okay, your monthly maintenance fee is going to cover operating costs for the building. It'll cover shared amenities, might also include utilities, pest control, snow removal, trash removal, etc. Second big thing to know about maintenance fees is they vary tremendously from complex to complex. We're talking about a few $100s a month versus a few $1,000s a month. So that's a big difference. And it's going to have a huge impact on your purchasing power and ultimately the amount that you can be pre-approved for. So it is very important that your agent gets you the information on the maintenance fees for specific units that you're interested in. And if they're above what your lender assumed in your pre-approval, you want to make sure your lender knows as well so they can check to make sure you still qualify for that unit. We're dealing with maintenance fees changing from unit to unit, and we're also dealing with the prices of the units changing. So a lot of things are in flux. You want to get your lender involved to make sure that you're spending your time wisely and looking at units that you realistically have a shot of being able to purchase. If you like what you're hearing so far, please be sure to slam that like button for us to help this video get more views. Now, HOA fees or maintenance fees or common charges, whatever term we're using, are going to vary from complex to complex, but they're also going to vary within the same complex from unit to unit. The reason this is because the units are different, right? So some units are bigger, some are located in the prime real estate, so to speak, within the building. So that affects the price. Now, because of the amounts of HOA fees and people debating whether HOA fees are even worth it, I really encourage you to sit down and think whether it makes sense for you. Some people like the convenience of owning a condo or a co-op. There's certain responsibilities you're most likely not going to have. Snow removal being the one I personally hate the most, and you don't have to worry about that. But check to make sure that you're comfortable with those payments, HOA fees included, versus the extra flexibility that you're going to have with a house. But remember, with great flexibility comes great responsibility. I'm paraphrasing, but you know what I mean. Looking for more information on selling or buying a co-op in particular, you can click on the video up above. For condos, it's the one down below. And if you want more information on both condos and co-ops, you don't have to click anything because you're already in the right playlist. Lastly, please be sure to share this video with someone that could benefit from it. Thanks again, and I'll see you on the next one.